come fast so far and wash your face. Yeah, man. Can't come fast so far and wash your face in the water. Yeah, man, take your time, man. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in Christiana area, Lower Christiana. This is a hidden gem. We're going to search one river today, guys. So stick and stay. We're going on a journey. You know Christiana. Very, very cool climate. I love it here, guys. So stick and stay. The people, why me think me fit, but me not fit. I blow like a horse.
Your turn.
Yeah, man. Me and my eyes are yours.
You're so right.
You hear me talk with people. Say, oh, the journey we go on today. Not an easy journey. We have to fit. What you say about the journey, man?
People. Me walk how much miles the other day. Do a couple of videos and right now me can't tell you no say. A couple miles well me walk and nothing compared to this. Because when we come up back, so we are go. Up in the year.
Yeah, man, see it. This is the yam ground, you know, so in a Christian they know a lot of farming. Yeah, man, so you know, see it here? Everybody knows say a cocoa this. Yeah, man, enough people stop planting cocoa, you know. You're not going to find no young boy a plant no cocoa nowadays, you know, say. As some elderly person a plant them cocoa, you know. Yeah, man, see it there. Yeah, man, see it, some carrots. Yeah, the hills are Christiana, man. Yeah, man, some pine here. Yeah, man, so it's all about nature, you know? It's all about nature, man. Yes, my people, man, I tell you, say, trust me, place nice and cool. Yeah, man, walking in Christiana. What them thing here? What them call them thing here? I don't remember them thing with them name, you know. But them come off of them tree. Yeah, man, so stick and stay, search the river, you know. Stick and stay and see what go on. I tell you, say, breeze, yeah. Breeze, I feel cool and nice, you know. See there? True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, yeah, man. Remember, I'm a Jamaican tour guide, this and if you subscribe and share the thing, you know. For the journey. Yeah, man, so me and a YouTuber, yeah, man, my eyes are yours.
Yeah, man, let's see what I go on.
Yeah, man.
In the Lower Christiana area, and we're there upon a quest in idea. Right now, me and Fire Reid take on a quest. We're going to look for one hidden treasure. And guys, trust me, the treasure we are going to find, it's going to be beautiful. So guess what? Come along with me and stick and stay.
Yeah, man, so here we are going. So if you don't want to link up me, my eyes are yours, you can kind of come and give a tour of this place, you know. So we have to be careful, you know. I'm a kid up. Eh?
Yeah, but you all are not free.
I will go under, over Jaga, under. Say no, so me there from a distance and I can hear the stream of water. Can hear it. It sounds so relaxing from a distance, guys. You man up on the valley. Yeah, man, so terrain I go down, you know. You have to reach, man. Know yourself. You have to reach. Yeah, man, we have to reach down there. It's not an easy journey, but we are reach down there, so, you know. See there? Way down there, so we are going. So, my pint. Way down there, so. Yeah, man. You know, say, Enough people say Jamaica are beautiful. A lot of things we can do at Jamaica. A lot of things. Just we explore. Just go out and explore Jamaica. And you see so much beauty in this area, guys. So I am in Manchester, in Christiana, Lower Christiana. Yeah, man. They're on the journey still. That's an easy journey. Right? Go down see away, you know. Show the way I go on. Have to reach at the river. Yeah, man, we gotta reach. Gotta take the time. And we gotta reach, you know. Yeah, man, so I see what I go on, you know, show me what I go on. Yeah, man, see it here. Yeah, but so big up yourself now, Jagger. Yeah, man, a boss that we take you on a tour and I tell you say yesterday man, a born and grow and have to be a beauty or so. Yeah, a lot of people know about country life same way and in a Christiana, Lower Christiana, and big up yourself, Jagger. And thanks to take you on the journey, you know? Yeah, man, so anytime we don't want to tour the place, yeah, man, boss Jagger will take you around. And I tell you things that will happen, you know. At this time, and you have a vision, you know. So things are going to happen. Take it, let me tell you. If you're not up on the earth, take it, let me tell you. So you see vision and that come true at this time, you know. Yeah, man, right in a Christiana also, in a Manchester. Yeah, man. Okay, we can't forget. Yeah, man, we can't forget nature, you know, people. Can't come from so far. Can't come from so far, man. Yeah, man, can't come from so far and wash your face. Yeah, man, can't come from so far and wash your face in the water. Yeah, man. Run all of the struggles away. Yeah, man, just wash your face and enjoy yourself. Yeah, man. Fresh water come from the stream. See it? Yeah, man. Can't better. Look at this. Yeah, man, I guess you can jump off. Yeah, man, you can jump off right there, so have a nice dip on thing. You know, so you gotta take your time out, show me what I'm going. And I will say thanks again, my beautiful YouTube family, for watching the videos, because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. Yeah, man, so my eyes and ears are here with me. Yeah, man. So Williams, yeah, man, so my eyes and ears, you know, say you want to say something to your world same way for. You know, say we do a collab more time and show them what I go on, you know? Yeah, man. The people, I tell you, you know, say look here, we're on a quest to find a hidden gem. And see we find here, people, nothing but nature, man. Trust me, the place nice, the place calm, the place full of tranquility, everything that is good, people. So guess what? So when you come to Jamaica, we want to link up Fire Reid and myself, my eyes are yours, you know. Yeah, man, so we can go on a tour right here. Understand? Yeah, man, because people we can come and we can cook and we can enjoy ourselves. Water is life. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Water is
And don't,
life,
and don't
man.
forget, see there.
Yeah, man. See it, my people.
Yeah, man, see it there.
My eyes are yours.
So
Don't forget to subscribe.
And share the video. Remember, say each one help one.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So like up in channel same way, share and subscribe. You see it?
And people remember, you know, anything you don't see over Fire Reid, you know, we see it over my eyes.
Yeah,
and
man.
ears, you know. So you don't know how we think set, you know. Yeah, man. So big up yourself, my brother. Much love and respect.
Yeah, man.
Continue, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So that's we're always up on a journey. I know we're supposed to do. Show the beautiful Jamaica. I don't know. We're on our way out, you know. Oh, see? So you walk around so? West? I come on, say. What want to say? Boy, place is nice with people. Nice, nice. What them call them, a bamboo tree. Yeah, man, so I catch a beautiful view now, you know. Sure, no, I go on, you know. Yeah? Go high. My person looks scary, man. Yeah, man, I tell you, say, I never know say some place beautiful like Christiana, man. Yeah, man, place nice.
It's nice, brother.
So, Jagger, man, jump off here, so. Yeah, man, see beautiful people.
Great, you know?
Yeah, man. One love, one heart, beautiful people. Nice. Yeah, man. It's a journey. Thanks a lot.